Good afternoon, everybody. From today, I am going to start the topic that is QBasic for class 9 and 10. Student, QBasic is the main part of computer science. What is QBasic? You might have studied in the previous class. QBasic stands for Quick Beginners All-Purpose Symbolic Instruction Code. Quick Beginners All-Purpose Symbolic Instruction Code. It is a high-level programming language. QBasic is a high-level programming language. Again, the question is arising, student. What do you mean by high level? High level means, you might have studied in the earlier class, high level means the programming language allows to write a program by using the English word and mathematical symbols are known as high level language. The programming language allows to write a program by using the English word and mathematical symbols are known as high level language. So QBasic, it is a high level programming language developed by Microsoft Corporation. It allows to write a program. QBasic allows to write a program for the development of application software. Again, the question is arising, what is application software? Student, again I want to remind you, application software. When we are talking about the software, system software, application software. Student, software, system software, application software. What is system software? Very simply to understand, a software which is used computer system itself is known as system software. Simply I want to say that जुन software computer system को लागि use हुन्छ, जुन software computer system आफ्नो लागि use गर्छन्, that is the system software. Non-technically, such a way, but technically I want to inform you, system software, it is an operating system. System software, it is an operating system which is used to boot and start the computer system for user interaction. You might have seen, when you have pressed the button of CPU, internal processing is going on, and after the internal processing, computer is started, that is start button, my computer, my document, recycle bin, etc. Who brings computer in such a state? Who brings the computer in such a state? System software. It is an operating system. It is an operating system which is used to boot and start the computer system for the user interaction. Without operating system, computer is a dead machine. You can't operate it, you cannot use it. We can say that it is a soul of computer system. Example student, DOS, Windows, Unix, Linux, etc. These all are the system software, or we can say operating system. Application software. Non-technically, application software. The software which is used by user. जुन software लाई मान्छेले use गर्छन्, हामी use गर्छौं, user use गर्छौं, application software. Simply you have to understand such a way. Application software means it is a collection of program. It is a collection of program which is used to perform the certain task for user. It is a collection of program which is used to perform the certain task for user. Like MS Word. MS Word is used to perform the word processing task. Excel, it is used to perform the mathematical calculation. Paintbrush, it is used to draw the picture. सो के कामको लागि हुन्छन्, एउटा काम वर्ड प्रोसेसिङको लागि हुन्छन्, अर्को म्याथमेटिकल क्याल्कुलेसनको लागि हुन्छन्, अर्को पिक्चर डिजाइनिङको लागि हुन्छन्। त यो सबै कामको लागि युजरले आफ्नो कामको लागि यो सफ्टवेयरलाई युज गर्छन्। दैट सफ्टवेयर इज नोन एज एप्लिकेशन सफ्टवेयर। अगेन कम हियर, एप्लिकेशन सफ्टवेयर। Again I want to remind you, again I want to tell you, this QBasic, it is a high level programming language. It is a high level programming language that allows to write a program, for the development of only application software student, not a system software. According to the requirement, new kinds of softwares are demanded by the society, like schools are demanding, like hotels are demanding, like hospitals are demanding, manufacturing companies are demanding, medical shops are demanding. According to the requirement, we are going to make such kind of application software in a high level language, that is QBasic. High level language, that is QBasic. I hope you have understood it. Now, student, according to the class 9 and 10, simple programming have written so many times. Basic topic you have already studied. I am going to start, that is control statement. Topic for class 9 and 10, I am going to start, that is control statement. Control statement. Number 1, selection statement. Looping statement. And jumping statement. Jumping statement. Student, first of all, control statement. Control statement. We are writing very simple program, CLS, input, some statements, and last int statement. What have you seen in your life when you are writing the program? In the class 8, in class 9 also, very beginning, when you are writing the program, all the program statements are always executed from top to bottom normally. Program statements are always executed from top to bottom. Here, suppose statement 1, statement 2, statement 3, 4, 5, like that. Every statement will be executed from top to bottom normally. But control statement is not like that. Control statement is used to control the way of program execution. Means which one statement to be executed and which one statement not to be executed. कुन statement लाई execute गर्ने र कुन statement लाई execute नगर्ने, that is decided by control statement. जस्तै हामी बाइकको मुभमेन्टलाई कन्ट्रोल गर्नको लागि एक्सेलरेटर युज गर्छु, जति एक्सेलरेटरलाई तान्छु त्यति बाइक भाग्छ, कम गर्छु त स्लो भइहाल्छ। त मुभमेन्टलाई कन्ट्रोल गर्न एक्सेलरेटर काम गर्छ। त्यस्तै this control statement is used to control the way of program execution, मतलब कुन स्टेटमेन्टलाई एक्जिक्युट गर्ने या कुन स्टेटमेन्टलाई एक्जिक्युट नगर्ने त्यो डिसाइड गर्छ control statement. We can define such a way. Control statement is a conditional statement. Control statement is a conditional statement that controls the way of program execution. That controls the way of program execution. All the statements will not be executed. It will execute the selected part of the statement whose condition is true. There are 3 types of control statement: selection statement, looping statement, jumping statement. Student, selection statement. सिलेक्शन स्टेटमेंट को मतलब हुन्छ अगेन यो त कन्ट्रोल स्टेटमेंट को टाइप छ पार्ट छ सिलेक्टेड पार्टले एक्जिक्युट गर्छन् जस्तै एउटा प्रोग्राम लेखेर एक्सप्लेन गर्छु त अझै राम्रोसँग बुझ्न सक्छौ यो राइटिङ CLS इनपुट सपोज A या मेसेज दिहाल्छु गिभ अ नम्बर A if A greater than 0 then print positive else negative primitive अब यहां हेर्नुहोस् म एकछिन सेलेक्सन स्टेटमेंट को लागि यो प्रोग्राम लेख्छु selection statement it is a control statement selection statement is a control statement that execute the selected part of the program whose condition is true. Let us see now. Student, you know very well this program has written every statement. These all are the statement, but all the statement will not be executed. Let us see now. Student, you know very well input statement executed, and when it is executed it tells you give a number from the keyboard. Suppose you have given -4. So this -4 will be the value of A. You know very well what is A? A is a variable. पनि स्टूडेंट you can study sometime. ये variable किन यसको नाम पर्यो अर्को नाम किन परेन त्यसको पछाडी के रिजन होला त्यो दिमाग लगाउनु पर्छ इसको नाम यही किन पढ्यो त I will discuss next time. You have to think yourself. Now here if is the selection statement. यहाँ written A greater than 0. What is the value of A? -4. -4 greater than 0. No, condition is false. And when the condition is false, this statement means the if statement is not executed. It goes the other condition. That is the else condition, which is the default condition. It comes in the body of else part. This print statement executed and it will give the result negative. I mean to say that यहाँ यो पनि print statement लेखेको छ यो पनि print statement लेखेको छ तर यो print statement execute गरेन because of selection statement. The selected part of the program, the selection statement. Student, selection statement, it is a control statement. It is a control statement that writes the condition in the program to execute the selected part of the program. That we have seen, checking whether the number is positive or negative. In the same way, student, when you are going to, you have got your mark sheet. In the mark sheet written, pass or fail. So जस्तै यहाँ negative र positive calculate गरेको छ. In the same way, you can write the program to check whether the student is passed or failed. To calculate whether it is passed, they are passed or failed. The pass-fail calculation पनि त्यही concept को आधारमा छ. On the basis of selection statement, both print statement will be written in the program. Pass को पनि लेखेछ, fail को पनि लेखेछ र pass र fail कुनै एउटा डिस्प्ले गर्छन्. That depends upon the condition. The selection statement, it is a control statement that executes the selected part of the program whose condition is true. Student, looping statement. Again the looping statement को लागि एकछिन फेरि हेर्नुस्. looping statement को लागि अहिले भर्खर म एउटा कुरा लेख्छु. Very simple program. Suppose CLS writing print hello student and end. You have to study a student. CLS is a command, print is a command, end is a command. हरेक command को आफ्नो काम हुन्छ, function हुन्छ. That you have to understand it. CLS को के काम छ, print को के काम छ, end को के काम छ. थुप्रै कमान्ड छ. हरेक कमान्ड को आफ्नो आफ्नो काम हुन्छ. Here student, this program will be executed. Then CLS को के काम छ म डिस्कस गर्छु अगाडि प्रिन्ट स्टेटमेन्ट एक्जिक्युटेड एन्ड इट डिस्प्ले द आउटपुट इन द आउटपुट विन्डो यो आउटपुट विन्डो छ आउटपुट विन्डो छ इट विल डिस्प्ले हेलो स्टुडेन्ट तर अब यहाँ एउटै हेलो स्टुडेन्ट तिमीहरु क्लासमा चाहिँ 40 जना 25 जना 30 जना त एउटै हेलो स्टुडेन्ट सपोज आई एम पोइन्टिङ द finger around hello student and other student hello student means one print statement is going to print the result only one time in the output window, and if you want to execute this same print statement multiple times again and again more than one times, then you have to use the concept of looping statement. I am writing here for I equal to 1 to 5 and here next I यो for के छ त for loop को नाम छ it is the name of loop यो print statement loop को भित्रमा हामीले युज गर्छु so this print statement will be executed now 5 times because 1 to 5 यहाँ मात्र एउटा 0 दिहाल्छु this print statement will be executed 50 times यहाँ एउटा अरु 0 थपिदिन्छु this print statement will be executed 500 times एउटा अझै 0 थपिदिन्छु जति बढाउँदै गर्नुहोस् this print statement will be executed 5000 times automatically. Means the looping statement. Looping statement, it is a control flow statement. It is a control flow statement that executes the same set of statement multiple times. That executes the same set of statement multiple times as long as the given condition is true. Same thing is going on. The same set of statement, same print statement is going to be executed 5000 times. यो कसको काम छ त? Looping statement को काम छ. Looping statement, again I am repeating you. क्लास में याद गरिहाल. Looping statement means it is a control statement that executes the same set of statement multiple times as long as the given condition is true. Given condition is true. अब इसको रियल लाइफ में कहाँ यूज करने था? कहाँ यूज करने? Suppose you have program बनाओ to generate the mark sheet of a student. The one program written to generate the mark sheet of a student, एक चोटी execute गर्छु, it will display the mark sheet of one student. अब क्लास में 40 जना छ, तो के 40 चोटी प्रोग्राम ले रन कराउने? No. The same program will be kept under the looping statement. Automatically that will be executed 40 times to generate the mark sheet of all 40 students. All 40 students. That is the looping statement. इसको पर एक type छ. I will discuss later on. Now, jumping statement. Jumping statement means you know that concept तिमीलाई थाहा छ कि approach of statement execution from top to bottom. First statement, second statement, third statement, top to bottom. Jumping statement को मतलब के हुन्छ? Jumping statement को मतलब हुन्छ suppose writing jumping statement. यहाँ के भइरहेछ हेर्नुस् CLS you know very well यो आफ्नो काम गर्छन् you know very well so that I am not explaining CLS statement को काम के छ this CLS statement को काम छ in the output window if any other previous program result is there, if any other previous output is there in the output window, this CLS statement like me, it is using the wiper to clean all the things to make a complete clear window. Now this let a equal to 1. You know very well, this student A, I told that time, A, it is a name of variable. What is equal to? It is assignment operator. What is 1? It is a numeric constant. अब यहाँ से start जो और पूरा ध्यान दिनो, if any word it is preceded by colon, it is nothing but a level. It is nothing but a level. अब it is not an executable statement. It will not give the any kind of result. This print statement executed print A. The what is the value of A? 1. That is printed in the output window. Next statement A equal to A plus 2. The A का value 1 था, तो 1 plus 2 equal to 3. यहाँ सम्मा ध्यान देना स्टूडेंट, यहाँ सम्मा A का value 1 थियो, after execution of this statement A का value 3 में आयो. यहाँ if statement condition होई छे, if A that is 3 less than 10. Yes, condition is true. Yes, condition true. It means it comes in the body of if statement, and go to statement is a jumping statement. Go to कहाँ जाने? At the position of start. यहाँ उसे jump करी है. अब प्रोग्राम तोला आए ना, यहाँ देखी शुरू देखी तो यहाँ से आयो. It comes up to this position, up to this statement, and when the go to statement executed, again it goes back up at the position of start. It is known as jumping statement. Jumping statement is also the control flow statement that hits the cursor, that sends the cursor at the specified position in the program to control the program execution. This jumping statement, it is a control flow statement, it is a conditional statement that sends the cursor at the specified position in the program to control the way of program execution. So that the student, in this case, 3 less than 10, yes, go to statement very माथी पठाई दियो, and when it goes up, all the program statement will be executed from top to bottom. So that again print statement executed, print A. अब A को value कब दिया था? 3 is printed. Same thing is going on. A plus 2, the 3 plus 2 equal to 5 now. Again 3 plus 2 equal to 5 now. Again condition will check if A, the value of A is 5 less than 10. Yes, condition is true. Again comes, again go to a statement, send the cursor at the position of start. What are you seeing? This go to a statement is a jumping statement that send the cursor at a specified position in the program to control the way of program execution. Clear, student? Right? This much only today. Next day again I will discuss the part of selection statement, the part of looping statement, and the part of jumping statement. Correct? Today is the first class. Later on I will do